Latest on the transfer news. Amathimba amaningi athenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. So ngizoqala ngeindaba namhlanje ihamba phambili izani nazo iKaizer Chiefs. Remember ke last week I did a video regarding yona iKaizer Chiefs ngisho ukuthi ke sebekwazi ukuthi bayithole isigning yakhe uLangelihle Phili obekumdlali obedlalela iStelis. Lo mdlali ke bafethu akafikanga nje mahala nje. Bekunzima ngempela ukuthi ke iKaizer Chiefs imthole lapho khona bethathe khona two of their players ukuba na Ashley Dupree mase kuba ubani na no Given Msimanga. Lo badlali bobabili nje wasikhuluma nje bale eStellenbosch. Ubonakalile ke ubani na uAshley Dupree ejima nayo i-team. Ubonakalile futhi ke kulomdlalo wani na weMaZulu versus iStelis lo budlala le eDurban. Abadlali bobabili bebengaka announce as the new Stelis players. Mhlawumbe ke sizobabona be-announce anytime soon. iKaizer Chiefs ke yona ke namhlanje ivele yathi cha asim-announce umdlali wethu sekulate ngempela manje kumele siyodlala iMTA nethu kumele abe khona naku uLangelihle Phili bafethu officially he is the new player weKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs ithole umdlali wangempela ke labafethu umjida usayi youngster ngempela usenayo italent usenayo iminyaka kuyena usengakwazi ke aphushe ngempela ukuthi ke abe khona kwisquad sibafana because yena italent unalo ngokubona kwami nje obefika nje iKaizer Chiefs uzoba yistarter kuyona iKaizer Chiefs yebo. Le top ke umjida uzofike abifaphe leya forward attack ekhona kwiKaizer Chiefs because niyayibona iKaizer Chiefs ishisa kanjani kule insuku. Simfisela inhlanhla uLangelihle Phili engathi ke angafika shine kwiKaizer Chiefs. uGiven Msimanga ukhipha ipost ebonga ngako konke okwenziwe iKaizer Chiefs washo ukuthi ke uyabonga kwiKaizer Chiefs ngokumnikeza ama memories yabo azolasta ilifetime yabo. Uyajabulela ngempela ukuthi ke ube ingxenye yabadlali abakwazile ukuthi ke baligqoke ijersey leChiefs okuyiclub enkulu la eSouth Africa. Njobe uhamba nje unenjabulo ukuthi ke sekwadlalela iKaizer Chiefs sekwayibiza ngekhosi naye yabo. Le club le isenhlizweni yakhe and ke uyifisela okuhle in the future yabo. Amagama ke lawa asho ubani na awusho uyena uLangelihle Phili bese ngiyihumusha nje ngesizulu ngiyenza ibemfisha inkulumo ayikhiphile ngosikhathi ke eshaya iposter naye ke umjida ke samfisela okuhle njoba nje eyale kwiStelis. Kweze izindaba eziphumile bafethu iGolden Arrows isikhuphule icontract kabani na kaThemba Mantshiyane umjida ke bafethu bamnikeze icontract entsha njoba nje izoqala isizini. Let's hope kumjida uzoqhubeka adlale kahle kuyona iGolden Arrows. Kweze izindaba eziphumile ke bafethu uChipa Mpengesi has reunited with ubani na uDen Malisela. Lawo babili bani history enkulu kakhulu. Remember phela uDen Malisela sewayicoacha vele iChipa United kaningana in the past yabo. Sebamlandile ke njengamanje ukuthi ke uDen Malisela abe ubani na abe uhead of football development lapha eAfrica School of Excellence. iSchool of Excellence isiphethwe ubani na iChipa Group ephethwe uChipa Mpengisi. So imost yabadlali abazophuma kuyona iSchool of Excellence bazokhushulwa bayele kwiDDC yayo Chipa United. Mhlambe ke abanye abadlali bazodayiswa kumanye ama clubs akhona kuPretho Premiership. Into enhle leyenziwa uChipa Mpengisi uthi ke ayithenge iSchool of Excellence. Kweze izindaba eziphumile bafethu uMokibelo Ramabu uannounce as umdlalo omusha weSikhukhune United. iSikhukhune United sasana ma-announce abafethu njengamanje nje ngikhuluma nje bavele nje bamkhipha as their new player ozodlala kule season. iSikhukhune siyasayina kancane siyababona abadlali ababasayinayo ngokuthi ke equality le enganekekile. Let's hope ke le quality izobasebenzela nje njoba nje isizini eqalile. Umjida uyiwinga ngokuzwa kwami umjida uyiwinga edlala kahle kakhulu uyiwinga eline pace. Mhlambe ke le ungasho ukuthi ke i-replacement yakhe lo mfana lo osayinwe iSimba SC le idlala le eTanzania. Kweze izindaba eziphumile kwabafethu ama-Tuks asesayine umfana ona 15 years old uMichael Tetane. umjida ke he's the youngest player. umjida ke might be the youngest player to ever play ku-NFD if umjida ke bemsayina ngempela. 15 years old umjida ke kunama links and kunama rumors ashoyo ukuthi ke kungenzeka ayele overseas adlalela ama clubs akhona overseas yabo. 15 years old ngeke ngazi ngangitshela ama comments, do you think this guy is really 15 years old? Nje sibona ukuthi siyalingana asas ngangitshela nje kuma comments. I'm not bashing the guy Michael Tetane, maybe ke una 15 kwazi ba phela ke sikhule ngokungafani yabo. Abanye abantu bakhula ngezinye indlela yabo. Kweze izindaba eziphumile ke namhlanje bafethu ubani na uTsehofaso Mabasa has been announced as the new player yaninani yeMass First. Le club bokele yale eMorocco. Le club le iyodlala kwinina iyodlala kwiCAF Champions League. Ile club ebicoach uCijimpi if I'm not mistaken. uCijimpi wakwazi ke ayiwine i-league with le club le before ahambe uCijimphi uyena obucoach mhlambe ke singasho ukuthi ke uyena obefuna lo mdlali lo before ahambe ubatshela ukuthi ke basayine bapha abadlali yabo it's a good thing ukuthi ke siyawabona ama players amaningi la eSouth Africa eya kuma clubs angaphandle uCijimphi ucoach wayecoach amaZulu kwabangamazi uyena coach wayecoach amaZulu mungamazi ungahamba uyobheka ukuthi ke Cijimphi amaZulu uzombona lo coach loyo so simfisela inhlanhla ke ubani na uTsehofaso Mabasa usebuyile kwiCAF Champions League let's hope uzoscore ama goals let's hope asihlangane with yena because yabo uzovela ufuna ukukora kakhulu nje uyodlala neformer team yakhe nathi phela siya kwiCAF Champions League singesazi noma ke sizoqualify nesidlule kuma prelims because ngiyawazi ama prelims Orlando Pirates iyayibe nenkinga ekudluleni kuona but ke ngiyayithemba ezami this time abajida aba prepared enough ukuthi ke badlule kwezezinto abeyiphumile bafethu iWydad Casablanca okuyiclub yaseMorocco futhi ifuna bani na ifuna uThembi Nkosi abuyile from iAl Ittihad remember ke umjida wahamba la season ehamba nobani na ehamba nawo uRulani Mgwena beyojoina inina iAl Ittihad uRulani Mgwena ke akasekho kuyona iAl Ittihad usehambile ojoin iPyramids iWydad Casablanca esiyamfuna umdlali wawo ukuthi ke abuyele ekhaya abuye kuyona iWydad Casablanca ungathi ke umjida wayisiza ngempela ngazi ngempela ukuthi ke why bamdedela uThembi Nkosi besazofuna ke ukumbuyisa back but ke kodwa kuyangijabulisa ukubona uThembi Nkosi bebhola out kanje yabo kuma league awukobhotola pro ukudlala kahle kanje ukwenza ngempela uyithole ethubeni lokuthi ke uthole indodla zangempela zezimali because siyayazi phela iMorocco ingamanye ama league akhokhayo la eAfrica yabo kwezezindaba eziphumile bafethu ke imhlathuze izoshawa nje nge4 week suspension imhlathuze stadium bafethu ke remember each and every season kumele kube khona ama inspection yabo kufika kuzohlolwa kabanzi ke istadium ngabe silungele ukuthi ke sidlale ama games eBetway Premiership kuthiwa ke le game le eyodlalwa iMilford ngomhla ka12 kuzobe kube igame yokugcina yemhlathuze stadium ukuthi ke ibe khona ama games alapha azothi kumancane kuzoshawa nje inspection kubheka ukuthi ke ngabe ekulungele yini inkundla ukuthi ke idlale kule season lesikuyona yabo let's hope ke ama games bazokwazi ke bawasuse le Richards Bay walethe ngala eThekwini yabo zikhona izitadiums ziningi la akhona oSugar eXulu bakhona oPrincess Magogo bakhona oKings Welithini bakhona oKings Park Stadium bakhona oMoses Mabhida there are many stadiums akhona eThekwini lamathima angawasebenzisi maybe Milford ngayisebenzisa iSugar eXulu masukuthi ke Richards Bay isebenzisa iPrincess Magogo masukuthi ke iGolden Arrows isebenzisa iKings Welithini kuthi amaZulu asebenzise inina asebenzisa iMoses Mabhida masukuthi ke iDurban City isebenzise iChatsworth Stadium yabona ukuthi ke ayafitha wonke lama team la eThekwini kodwa singesazi phela abantu abaningi bayivumele ukuthi ke ama games athathwa ayiswe eThekwini uma iPSL ibona ukuthi ke umhlathuze is not good enough to host any of these matches the games will be played eThekwini kuma games azodlalwa kule weekend amathikiti aphumile bafethu Orlando Pirates will face on Durban City Amstel Arena masukuthi ke Mamelodi Sundowns iyabuya izodlala against iPolokwane City eLucas Moripe Stadium masukuthi ke eChatsworth Stadium sothola khona amaZulu versus iSkhukhune United masukuthi ke iKaizer Chiefs itholane phezulu with iGolden Arrows le eFNB Stadium iwona ke ama games lawo esobeke sibhekene nawo kule weekend le ingabe ke imaphi ama team azophuma as o number 4 as o top 4 njalo not o number 4 but ke lapha phezulu I can say Orlando Pirates might win that game ngisho ukuthi ke might they are going to win that game masukuthi ke Mamelodi Sundowns nayo ke iwine eyayi game amaZulu versus Iskhukhune United this is a very very tough game I don't want to lie but I don't want to lie it's a tough one I don't want to lie Iskhukhune and amaZulu but I see Iskhukhune winning this one even though ngowakhona la eThekwini I see Iskhukhune winning this one I don't think they are going to beat I don't think amaZulu they are going to beat Iskhukhune masukuthi Kaizer Chiefs and Golden Arrows Kaizer Chiefs is winning this one so semi-finals Iskhukhune United versus Mamelodi Sundowns Kaizer Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates as you can tell me in the comments what do you think